students and staff have like zero school spirit, and I just understand why are we so lame?
Oh, I don't know, but I just can't even get up the oomph to go to the football game. In Shorewood, you know we're gonna get killed. I mean,
yeah, I mean, it's Shorewood students, they're like the luckiest students ever.
Do you know that at Shorewood, every kid gets their own iPad?
What? No way!
Way up! They hand them an iPad. Haven't you seen them walking around the mall? They're up there, they're just away, and their friends are next to them. I mean, I can understand it. It's just too much.
That's crazy.
Oh, totally crazy. And have you heard about that thing they call the hand jive at assemblies? Cheerleader does, they just do it, and they seem to really have a lot of fun with it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's, I haven't seen it, but I'd love to sometime. That's pretty cool.
Well, you know, and the coolest thing about Shorewood is, coolest thing.
Oh, okay.
It's cool. The coolest thing about Shorewood is that they have their own lip dub.
Oh.
And the thing about this lift up is that it was backwards. What? Amazing. Totally amazing. Hey, if you haven't seen it, I thought it was pretty good.
Oh, really?
Well, let's take a look.
Oh, check it out. Ooh. Wow, how'd they do that?
He's on.
Whoa. That's crazy, man.
Sweat, Mike Jackson, you fight the destination, you get past in the head. Left the writing on the wall in the halls of the people con. Let us transform majority Decepticons with my conception of the darkness rotation.
Are you okay?
Oh, gosh, I hope I didn't break anything, man. You know, never watch awesome YouTube videos and drive.
Don't ever do that again.
We're so lucky. Wow.
Not a good idea.
Gosh.
Look around.
Wait a second. What? Did we?
Not at Mount Lake Terrace anymore.
What happened? I think in our crash we ripped through the space-time continuum and then we're so confused. What's going on? Why are these people looking so awesome here?
That's what this ever happens at Mount Lake Terrace.
No, never.
What you're talking about?
Never. What is it? I don't understand.
Let's go see what they talk about for the school. Let's start.
Oh yeah, it's good.
These are the freshmen.
Oh, the freshmen.
Yeah.
Are you guys the freshmen? Oh, look, they got some stuff for us. I don't know if that's gonna fit around the melon here.
Mitch, they're actually friendly
cool.
here.
They're really nice.
We're not supposed to know what's going on.
Yeah, you guys are on it. What about these guys? I feel like going down to Sesame Street, maybe. Wow, this is so cool.
Is this every day in Shorewood?
I think it must be. I feel like I'm at home right now. This is amazing. What do we got over here? I see some purple. What do we got? Give me the gel, there you go, yeah.
It's
like a James Brown movie.
This is school.
Wow, gosh. That was amazing. Wow.
Oh.
So decked out right
now.
Great.
Maybe it's true about the seniors. Whoa.
I got a funny feeling something really big is about to happen.
Yes.
I don't know.
Look at them. All that pink. Yes. I'm sure something's going to happen any moment.
They look kind of bored to me.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they're always like this at Shorewood. Seniors, are you guys?
excited. I'm feeling it. Sure, students are way more coordinated here than mom like Paris. I'm loving this. This is so much fun. You guys are doing a great job. Wow. Wow. This is just too much. This is too much. This is too much. I can't. What's going on? I feel so different. I feel pretty good right now. And this is Elaina. And together we're on the amazing road trip.
Yes. The MCs for the 2012 Homecoming Assembly.
Are you guys happy to be here? Are you ready? Yeah. You look like you're ready. You sound like you're ready. I'm so
Get your script out with Mitch.
Okay, I got my script back here.
Okay,
This is just been handed to me.
Okay, let's get started with today's assembly.
So first is the judging criteria for the assembly. The class competition will be evaluated in 5 categories throughout homecoming week, which are dress-up day competitions, the lunch competitions, the fabulous backdrops you see around you, which are amazing. Then there is, of course, the skits performed by each class today, and then, of course, assembly decorum, which consists of positive spirit and enthusiasm. Anybody got any enthusiasm out there right now? And then there's, of course, participation, wearing of the class colors, looking great. And then there are the bleacher decorations, which also are just amazing. They never had anything with cinematic terrorists, never, ever. Each of the 5 competitions will be placed in a 1st through 4th sequence by our beautiful panel of judges here. Stand up, guys. Come on, let's see you. Give them a round of applause. All right? Alright, and we'll remind you at this point that each class is being judged on their behavior as well as the quality of their competitive entries. Okay, judges will be looking for the class that best represents ideal school unity, pride and spirit, as well as sportsmanship and appropriate behavior. Please be courteous and an attentive audience for all of the performances. I know you know. You guys got this. I mean, you totally got this. Totally got this. And page turn. Alright, and in case of a tie, the judges will determine the winning homecoming classes by how they place in the spirit and sportsmanship category of the class competition. So,